Hello guys, we welcome you at F2B Tech, and this is the new platform for the all developers and the tech learners who wants to level up their skills in the software engineering. And along with that, after the couple of work on this website, finally we bring this website for you and we make it live as f2bstack.com, our official website where you can find our daily content on the software development or the content related to the .NET, JavaScript, AIML, SQL, or if you scroll down that you will find the trending topic, and on my YouTube channel the trending topic is .NET 10 Web API full course. If you haven't watched this video, so just click over here and you will be land on the our web or videos. Okay, and along with that we have the some sections regarding the things. Okay, and currently we are working on it. Or along with that, if you click on the YouTube videos, there you will find the our YouTube video, all the YouTube videos which we have live yet now. If you want the videos regarding Docker, okay, like I have added the filter for you as well. Okay, so that you want face any issues to find our videos on the YouTube platform. Okay, so you will find everything here. Find your category and you will find your video like to see. Okay, so such kind of things I have make easy for you. And along with that, we have the blog section. In the blog section you will find our daily and weekly newsletter on the tech content. Okay, and currently we have only three blogs regarding the AI agents, SQL data types, and the GraphQL in ASP.NET Core, and all these three topics I made video on it. Okay, and guys, if you just click over here, okay, then you will find the everything regarding the blog. Okay, with the code base as well. Okay, and while you scroll down you will find the full video explanation here as well. Okay, so I have added the YouTube video link as well. So just click over here and you will be land on the videos as well. Okay, and everything will be found in the blog section regarding the code snippet that I have shown, that I have created in the videos, in the upcoming videos. You will be found here. Okay, so don't worry guys. Okay, or along with that guys, there is an important update that while you scroll down you will see that we always welcome your ideas, which means that if you want to publish your blogs here. Okay, and if you want that I want to publish my blogs on this platform, we always welcomes you guys. Okay, just share your thoughts on the .NET, JavaScript, anything that you want to share with us. Okay, our audience. So I highly recommend you to share it with me. Okay, and currently, if you want your ideas on my LinkedIn profile, okay, just DM me there. Okay, so with your code snippet and just contact me there. Okay, definitely we will upload your blogs on my website. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Bring your good ideas and we will publish here for the audience. Okay, and the shout out will be given to you as well. Okay, so right now I just created the three technical blogs. Okay, and if you and next one can be you as well. Okay, so I welcomes you guys. Okay, so such kind of things I have added here. And let me tell you about myself. I am Rohan Kumar, YouTube content creator and senior software engineer. Okay, and you will found everything about me as well, and you will see my technical expertise in .NET, SQL, Node.js, React.js, Angular APIs, MongoDB, Azure, AWS, and Docker as well. Okay, so these are my uh, technical expertise, and currently I am gaining my knowledge as well. Okay, so I just want to share everything that I have gained in these years. Okay, so it's totally worth it to share my experience, share my knowledge to you. Okay, and please don't forget to share your blogs and ideas with me. Okay, and I will definitely add you add your blogs on my blogs page, okay, and you can share it to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, okay. Or guys, I just want that please save this link f2bstack.com in your mobile screen as well, okay. And whenever you want everything, so just click over that icon and you will be land over here, okay. So if you have any suggestion regarding our website on the UI, it can be UI basis, UX basis as well, okay. So I welcomes to all those people who wants to like give the suggestion on our website, okay. So it's totally welcomes you as well, okay. So if you like our website, okay, so just save this link to your phone, okay, and share this link to your those the developers, those technical communities that they must know about this website, okay. And whenever you found the doubt, just come here, okay, and you will find everything on our website, okay. And definitely we will bring interesting blogs regarding the .NET, SQL, AI, ML, JavaScript, web development, and cloud and DevOps as well. Okay, so don't worry, guys. We will come with the new ideas, new topics on the blog section. Okay, and you will find the YouTube, all the YouTube videos with the categories as well. Okay, you don't need to scroll on my YouTube channel. Okay, just come here, okay, and just found your category and you will found your videos as well. Just click over here, okay. Or along with that, let me tell you one thing, guys, okay. uh, like from the coming videos, okay, we are making the content on .NET 10. We know that .NET 10 is released now, okay, and that's why I added the .NET 10 in the trending topic as well, okay. So in the next 5 to 10 videos, okay, all the videos will be related to .NET 10. If you want to learn .NET 10, everything about .NET 10, okay, so just come over here, okay, and you will find everything and every knowledge that will be shared regarding .NET 10 on my YouTube channel, okay. So thank you for watching this video till here. And guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, and hit the like button on this video. And just drop me your ideas on this comment section of this video, okay. Like if you want, if you have any suggestion on for my website, okay, so just DM me at LinkedIn profile, or and you can put your ideas on the comment section of this video, okay. So thank you for watching this video till here. Take care, guys. Bye bye.